Hey guys, how is it going? In this video I will show you how to measure the performance of your website and find opportunities to speed up page loads using Lighthouse, a tool that comes out of the box with the Google Chrome browser. Let's get started. I recommend you to always use an incognito window to avoid any cache. So, access the website, open up the inspector, go to Lighthouse, select the desired categories and also the device that will be used during the audit. Click the Generate Report and that's it. By the end of the audit, a report will be displayed that can also be downloaded as an HTML file. Each main category gets a score, and here are the score intervals. 0-49 is slow, 50 to 89 is moderate, and 90 to 100 is fast. The performance category brings some really useful metrics. Let's get into each of them. First, Contentful Paint measures how long it takes the browser to render the first piece of DOM content after a user navigates to your page. Images and everything else that's not included in an iframe will be considered DOM content. I've created some tables with the intervals, so we've got 0.8 seconds. That translates into fast. Speed index measures how quickly content is visually displayed during page load. We've got 0.8 seconds. That translates into fast. Largest Contentful Paint measures when the largest content element in the viewport is rendered to the screen. This approximates when the main content of the page is visible to users. We've got 0.9 seconds. That translates into fast. Time to interactive measures how long it takes a page to become fully interactive. We've got 0.9 seconds. That translates into fast. Total blocking time measures the total amount of time that a page is blocked from responding to user input, for example, mouse clicks, keyboard pressed, etc. We've got 0. That translates into fast. Great, isn't it? For each main category, Lighthouse provides a list of past audits. It also shows a list of things that might speed up the website. For example, if we want to improve the overall performance score, then we should take into account ensuring text remains visible during web font load, avoid chaining critical requests, keep request counts low and transfer sizes small, etc. The same goes for the other categories as well.